So I'm back with Rob. We were just checking out the 81 Vet he's working on, and now we're going to get a little rundown on the Morgan. So I know this is one that you painted here a few years ago.
Yeah, I painted it about 3 years ago.
I got to play with it and do a little prime work. Nothing really fancy, but...
This is a 67 Morgan plus 4. It's got a little racing history. It's raced around the world. It burned up a wiring harness. Well, when I say it burned up a wiring harness,
let's see.
that's the wires out of it. It's pretty sad.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, nasty.
I rewired it top to bottom.
Happy Halloween.
Yeah. Looks a little better now.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice loom.
I'm waiting on the amp gauge to come back from a Morgan place. Put that back in it, get the tap working, and you can take it home.
This one's been around the block.
I'll tell you something strange I discovered about this car. If you look at the gauges, this car does not have a temperature gauge.
No temp gauge.
It's got tach, it's got battery, fuel.
Oil, fuel, amp.
There's no temp gauge.
I wonder if it's got an idiot light. Weird. It sure doesn't. It is strange.
Really?
Morgans are pretty interesting. I don't know a whole lot about them. I know they look a lot alike over the years.
They've never changed the body style from 1934 to present.
Don't they have a wooden structure to them?
This is a wooden car. If you look right here, you can see the wood. This car is a wood. The entire car is wood, and it has a thin skin of metal pulled over these wooden panels, and it's held on with little tiny nails, thousands of them.
Yeah, they're all hand tooled.
When I took this car apart to paint it, untold little tiny nails. There's a wooden car under there. You don't have to worry about rust, but you do have to worry about termites.
It's kind of an odd duck here at Street Machines.
Yeah, I've painted 3 or 4 Corvettes for the man that owns it. So.
I know you've had a lot of Jags here over the years. Some high performance Jags.
Yeah, you name it, it's been here.
You dialed in that XKE for my friend last year.
Oh yeah, that was a nice car.
I like these old badges. Texas Morgan Club. Motor Car Club.
There's the English plate under there.
1980, 70 years of Morgan. Peking to Paris. Oh, that's a big race. Motoring Challenge.
This car is supposed to have racing heritage all around the world.
I started to say, I wonder if it's traveled to these races.
Yeah, it has.
Maybe somebody out there will recognize the car. Wouldn't that be cool? What color was it before you painted it?
Tan and black.
It was tan. Okay, I couldn't remember.
The car was it was black car, and it had tan fenders, two-tone.
Makes me think of that old 104 Austin Haley that you had.
That was a great car.
Don't see many of those. The wire wheels. Did they put disc brakes on these? They sure did.
Yeah, it's got a disc. One big lug nut.
It's like they've had some heat through them at some time or another. You got the big lead hammer to knock the wheel off?
Yeah, I took them all off. I used a block of wood and a sledge. It popped right off.
That's even softer. I don't think many people want to carry around a big hunk of lead in their trunk nowadays. Well, cool. Another Street Machine.